Gusto mo bang maranasan ang mini African safari without leaving the Philippines? Yes, I'm talking about the Calauit Safari Park in Palawan. Pero paano nga ba mag-book ng tour na hassle-free, legit at pasok sa budget? In this video, I'll show you a Palawan travel guide, booking on Klook the Calauit Safari Tour tutorial. Watch until the end, I'll share with you my discount hack to save up to 500 pesos. So let's dive in! Welcome to Kristen Travels! Calauit Safari Park is located in Busuanga, Palawan. Marami silang animals like giraffe, zebras, deers, and other local species. This tour is perfect for everyone, especially for animal lovers and those who want to have a close encounter with animals. From Coron Town, travel time is about 1.5 to 2 hours. So next, here's the step-by-step guide how to book the Calauit Safari Tour on Klook. So step 1, go to the Klook app or website, log in, and don't forget to change the currency, then search the Calauit Safari Tour. Step 2, read all the details, even the fine prints, and also check the reviews. For step 3, choose your preferred date, and I suggest to book it 2 to 3 days before your planned tour. For step 4, select the number of guests, and do not include kids below 2 years old because they are usually free. But take note, double-check the fine print. For step 5, add all the guest details. Also, add the hotel name, address, and contact number. And add the discount code for step 6.
We're going to Calauit Safari.
We are going in Calauit Safari. So from here in Coron Town, almost 1 hour van ride going to the Macalachao port or in the part of Busuanga. And then after that, we're gonna transfer in a small boat going to the Calauit Safari because the Calauit Safari was a separated island from the Busuanga. When we are in at the Calauit Safari, we need to register first our name, which is on the guardhouse, and then after that, wait for your tour truck. When our tour truck was right there, the tour truck gonna drag you in the zoo, which is in the giraffe and then the zebra, and then after that, you are going to the mini zoo. In the mini zoo, there's the animals that are in a cage, and after that, after you finish the Calauit Safari, we're gonna go back to Macalachao Port by the same way, and then after that, we are proceeding to our second destination, which is your lunch area, Bulwang Fish Pond Restaurant. So we're going to the different port, which is the Bulwang Port, and then transfer again in a boat. That boat is a big boat, Mami Sir, because we are going in a Black Island. So Black Island is nearby the open sea, so expect the small and big waves. In Black Island, you have 3 activities. So first one, snorkeling, because we have an coral reef on the shore area, and then we have 2 Japanese sunken ship, and then picture taking also in the Black Island. You can do sunbathing also, and then swimming, because we are going in the cave, and inside the cave we have 3 lagoon, but you can swim, but it's up to you if you would like to swim on the cave. We're gonna stay there until 3 o'clock. So since we are going to the different municipality, so we need to pay again. For the local, we have 150 per person or per head, and then for the foreign, we have 200 pesos per person.
For us,
Sa inyo
4.
po, local, dalawa.
Ano po?
Kasama din 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.
Kasama pa yung baby?
Tanongin ko lang po.
Wala mga Gia Chris, ano? Ayun po. Kalamihan na po kayo po?
Apa.
Kalamihan. Ano ka daan?
Nakatara ay kursi. Kaya po, madam.
Dali na, bababa na. Go right sa boat. Mayroon.
I need you to go inside to sign the our isang sila
Ito, 16 o nga, yun Kiroli, ito. Kung mag-picture kayo, kung mga 6 meters ganyan, pag lumalapit tayo ang adjust kung natin tayong makalapit po. By the way, this is island and also this is 3,760 hectares. On August 31, year 1976, they will proclaiming of the President Marcos of this island, Kalawit Game Preserves and Wildlife Sanctuary Project. So it is under by the Presidential Proclamation number 1578, sir. Opo. So, and also the arrivals of the animals like that, zebras, giraffe, it is from Kenya. Uy, wag ka. Okay sir, turo ko lang yung pag-feeding. Yeah, we'll teach you in how to feed a giraffe. Yeah, here, just use the leaves like this. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Para sa middle. Sir, unahan mo na sir. Kayo na ano. Yeah. Ganyan kanina. Sige, doon muna sa baba, mabuti nandiyan yung mga giraffe. Grabe. Sige lang para hindi tayo magkasabay-sabay sa isang kwarto.
Ano mo siya? Sinasaid niya.
Piliin niya yan. May mga drinking pan, pero sa kanila po
Nasaan siya?
Tanggalin sa lamin.
Parang ano kasama sa bato.
ito yung fresh water or pwede siya sa brackish water. Ito yung Philippine crocodile.
Pag sa Indonesia naman, sa Bali, Indonesia, ang tawag nila kopi luwak.
Tikman na namin yun.
Mahal. Wala na rin effect yan.
Tinitignan
Kapag
Ganda, no?
opo.
Philippine Park, ganyan kalaki.
Opo sir, ganyan. Ito yung mga iniligal na sabi nga ginagawang turtle soap. Oo. Kaya lang wala nang umamin ma'am kung kanino. Ang ginawa ng Coast Guard, dinala sa DNR. DNR yung nagpadala sa amin dito.
Kaya nga.
Sana yung bata. Sir, mahilig ba yan sa pagong yung baby nyo?
Ngayon nga lang siya nakita naman. Yan nice.
Tang,
Turtle. Turtle.
ano siya, river turtle. Hindi siya yung pure na, hindi siya yung pure na land turtle.
Dito mo itapak yung ulo. Huwag mo ipaano sa kanya yung ulo. Ayan, touch mo.
Ito yung ano po, pag determine ng
Ayaw.
female. I think it is 3 to 4 kilos the female. And also bigger than the male.
Wait.
And the tail is shorter like this. And this one is a flat. That is female, but the male like this one, concave. And the tail is longer.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry. Pero malicious. Kasi west they go to meeting, they go on top like that.
Ah, talaga?
Ayan.
So we're riding the boat back now here at Balwang Fish Pond. Bakit? We're now here at Black Island. Here's the way to the sea.
Different connected cave natin.
Ah, connected yan. Bakit may stair?
Yan kayo lalabas.
Ah, dyan lalabas. Kaya na naman.
Masarap paglabas yung iba ng kultural na.
Ah, sana ha?
Kami naman.
Ah, akala ko may tubig. Hi, Kaika! You're in a cave. Swimming area. Walang snake dyan. Walang snake.
Wala po. We don't have a snake.
Can you see? Ay, ayan! Nakikita!
Kita dyan?
Ayun, oh.
Oo, kita sa ano niya. Maganda yan.
Pag sobrang light, hindi masyado kita. Dapat pala, malayo yung light. Ang ganda.
So, they can see on the GoPro.
I see.
The flashlight should be behind the camera.
Okay.
One time may tubig to, kuya.
Ah, yes po. Meron po yan.
Kasi
During
tinan mo, may
rainy
shells
season
po.
po.
Ayun,
During
may
rainy
shells
season.
sa ilalim.
Diyan may tumutulo. Dito may umaagos. Lahat po ito merong tubig na dumadaloy.
Naka-camera pala ako kanina, so wala pala yun. Kaya pala di makita, camera pala siya.
Ano ng tubig ko ba?
Sir.
Hmm?
Ayan. We are not in navigation. We are in the hiking. Ayan.
Oh. Oh! Saksak puso. Dawit.
Here in the latter, we get to
Ha?
Put back my phone.
Hi, Kaika! Ano tawag sa cave na dyan, kuya?
hindi nila pinangalanan yung cave na ito
Ako magpapangalan. Pag
Go ahead,
dito,
sir.
sabihin mo, yun yung pinangalan.
Alala mo sa sarili mo para sa inyo yan.
This cave is called...
What are you doing? Thanks.
I am sorry.
Jellyfish ba yan? Ayan o. Sak, may jellyfish. Ayoko na. Ayoko na.
Here's the sample itinerary that lets you enjoy both wildlife and white sand beaches. To get a discount, make sure to check the Klook homepage for promos or make a new account. Don't forget to like and subscribe.